Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for James in Alabama on this Ranger RCI 99N2. James is ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment like you requested. Don't forget you got an amp on-off switch right here. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 15 watts exactly like you requested. Roll it up, 60 watts all the way up. Average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. 100 watt slug in the corner. 250 watt scale and average. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, audio, audio. You got about 115 watts of average power. 250 watt slug and PEP. Hello. Dances right there past the 250 mark. It's ready to go there for you, Mr. 63 in South Alabama, my longtime friend. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.